Mmm, marshmallow, delicious. Do you want some? No? Come on, try it. It's impossible that you do not like it. It's so good. But you were still a bit hungry, right? Okay, let me prepare you a snack. Okay, hi. Look carefully at what I'm going to prepare for my sister. First, I fill a bowl with marshmallows. Then I melt them in the microwave for about 30 seconds. That's it. Let's see. Perfect. Then I mix and mix and mix. Now we need icing sugar and cornstarch. Half a cup of icing sugar. Then I add a quarter cup of cornstarch. And I mix with the fingers. Oops! It's still too sticky. I'll add some more icing sugar. There! That's perfect! With this, we can play a funny trick to my sister. Now we empty a cream cheese container. And we add the marshmallow instead. That's right. I almost forgot the cookies. Okay, let's go. Look what I brought. Cookies and cream cheese for my sister. Yum! What's the matter? Don't you like my cream cheese? I got you! Yes, you got me. Okay, would you like something else? Certainly. I'll be right back. Did you see her head? What if we made a delicious vanilla yogurt? This time, I'm going to camouflage the dough with a hint of yogurt. Let's go! There you go, delicious yogurt. Just a little yogurt. Na 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 na. Okay, sis, sorry. This time I'll bring you something you will love for real. I promise. Do you know what my sister loves most of all? Fruit Loops! And as promised her that she will have real Fruit Loops. But I never said there would only be real Fruit Loops. Here, take the bowl of real crunchy cereals. With milk, or is it marshmallows? Oh, she is angry now. Oops. Oh, ice cream. That looks good. If I want it. Yes, for sure, but not with vanilla. Another flavor, please. Good try. I know my sister well. She will want to get back at me for all that I did to her. Wow, marbled strawberry ice cream, my favorite. No, it's not true. My sister really beat me at my own game. Okay, I admit it, I deserve that. That's it. See you next time. Bye. Today the weather is nice out, so how about playing sports with my little sister? What do you think of a badminton game? Well, of course she always finds a reason not to play sports, but this time I planned it ahead. I bought us new clothes for the occasion, so no excuse. Not bad, huh? No? It's true that it lacks a little sparkle. Oh, wait, we could customize them. Yeah, super, let's go. Okay, let's start by putting a little color. To draw a perfect circle, nothing better than a round jar and a textile marker pen, or a permanent marker. I think I'll go with a pretty heart. Start by finding the center and draw the shape of your choice, making sure that it is as symmetrical as possible. To add a touch of color, you can also use fabric paint. Wow! Now a little purple. For a more noticeable effect, choose contrasting colors. To decorate my heart, I chose a pretty bright pink. And for the second half, I used blue first. The idea is to create a fun and original pattern. Again, it is good to alternate the colors for more contrast. I wonder which of us will create the most beautiful set of clothes. I'm sure the choice won't be easy to make. My sister has a lot of taste. I'm sure she'll put a little color everywhere. I think it's pretty colorful like that. Let's work on the collar. To remove it, you can simply reverse the t-shirt and cut it by following the seam. Once done, I widen the opening by pulling a little on the fabric. I will also remove the sleeves in the same way. The t-shirt will surely look a lot different. Once the paint dries, you can create a fringe at the bottom of the t-shirt. To do this, simply cut long and short slices by spacing them by about 1 centimeter. Then do the same in the back. Great! Finally, you just have to pull on each fringe to give it the desired bohemian look. Shoulders now. I first make small holes on each side of the seam. I do 12 on each shoulder. I then take a nice ribbon and I insert it into the eyelets starting from above near the collar. I cross it below and I make it come out in the second holes. Then I add a little touch of fantasy with these beautiful colored beads. I first choose a pink pearl that I put in the 2 ends of my ribbon. Then I repeat with a blue pearl and finally a purple one. I then insert my ribbons under before ending with a pretty bow on top. Wow! It is really nice. I only have the back left. For the shoulders, you can also make some openings if you prefer not to remove the sleeves. That's it, nothing's easier. After folding the t-shirts in 2, I make cuts from top to bottom, going from the widest to the narrowest. I then stretch the strips of fabric so that the fabric does not fray. Watch closely as I show you my technique on how to finish it up. I take the first strip and I pass the second one under the third, in the second, and so on until you reach the bottom. It's easy, and it looks awesome. To finish it up, I decide to shorten the t-shirt a bit by removing a slice at the bottom. That's it! It's time for the caps now. Choose a ribbon that matches the colors of your t-shirt. Use hot glue to apply it all around, on the edge. Add appliques that work well with your t-shirt to create your perfect look. I'm going to use felts to decorate underneath of my cap. You can use the same colors to reproduce the patterns you have drawn on your t-shirt. Wow! I'm sure my cap will be totally original. I only have the top left. Once you have applied all your decorations, your cap is ready. Or almost. Do you also like color? Don't forget to protect the other sections before adding paint. A little heart here. And a few lines there. Ta-damn! What do you think? Do you like it? I can't wait to see what my sister did with hers. It's time! Let's go! Oh, wow! A complete metamorphosis. I knew it would be colorful. I love the flower and the fringes. It is really beautiful. Hey, do you like what I did in the back? And on my shoulders? Look how cute! I drew this heart here and on my cap. I made another one right there. Let's go! Now it's time to play. And hop! Awesome! Batman isn't all that bad. What do you think, little sister? And you? Which set of clothes do you prefer? Write us a comment. See you soon! Bye!